Hey there! I'm Kira from Trading Replay Tool. Today, I'll guide you through downloading and installing the Trading Replay Tool extension on Google Chrome. First, visit tradingreplay.app. Scroll to the bottom of the website and click on Get Now to download the free version. Simply choose your desired amount, whether it's $0 or $1, and then click on I want this to proceed. The next step will prompt you to provide your email address. This allows us to send you important updates, notifications, and access to the features of our tool. Please enter your email address to continue the process. Once you've entered your email address, simply click on the Get button. This will direct you to the download webpage. From there, locate the download button and click on it to download the file to your device. Once downloaded, extract the file to a folder of your choice. To ensure the safety of the folder and its contents, it's recommended to relocate it to a designated location where accidental deletion is unlikely to occur. Next, to install the extension folder in Google Chrome by navigating to Settings, Extensions, Manage Extensions, and enabling Developer Mode by toggling the switch. Click on the Load Unpacked button in the Chrome Extensions tab. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the extension files and select it. After successfully installing the extension, head over to the extension icon on your taskbar. Then, simply click on it and pin the Trading Replay Tool extension for easy access and use. In the free version of the tool, a default trading session is automatically set up for users, with starting balance of $100,000. This allows users to immediately begin exploring the functionalities of the tool and conducting simulated trades without the need for extensive setup or configuration. Next, navigate to the TradingView website. Currently, our extension only supports the English version of TradingView, such as tradingview.com or in.tradingview.com. Okay, let's get to backtesting process. Create a long position. What do you think, are we going to hit the TP? Let's see. Yes! TP hit! After the deal reaches take profit or stop loss. Double-click on the deal, edit the parameters to match your deal. And then, click to Win button. After that, open your extension pop-up. All data of your deals is updated on the table, right? In this table, you can see all the information you need. Navigate to the Analytic dashboard to access all visual charts, tools, and statistics of your deal's data. Here, you'll find the Profit and Loss section, Advanced Analytics section, Performance Chart Ticker, and Time Frame Chart. Additionally, you can explore the calendar and performance analytics for hour, day, and month charts.